Alright, man. Make sure you watch all the videos too. Share all of my videos. All platforms. All of them. Alright, man, get out. Go, get out. Hey. I said get out, and then I gotta find them. Oh, man, I'm alone. What are you doing in here? I said, what are you doing in here? Oh, so you're wondering how a guy like me can be so successful in college. Wait, what do you mean, a guy like me? Never mind. Well, since we're going to talk about that, let me go get a chair. Wait right here, I'll be right back. Gotta get face to face with this conversation. There's a lot of ways to be successful in college. There's a lot of things to do in college. But if we talked about all that, who knows how long we'd be here. So, right now, I'm gonna give you college success for beginners. You know, I'm a beginner myself, you know? So, number one, make a schedule. There's many pros to making a schedule. For one, you're gonna have more spare time, more fun time, more free time to do whatever it is that you want to do. I don't know what it is that you do, and it's not my business, but you're gonna have more time to do it. Another benefit is you're not gonna be as stressed. What's gonna stress you out, you might ask? Number three, forgetting your work. So combine number 2 and 3. You're gonna be less stressed about forgetting your work. You have to have adaptability to succeed in college. For one, you don't know what life is gonna throw at you. It's unpredictable and you will be hit with hard balls. But a bright side of having adaptability is it helps you get past all of your obstacles. Another pro to being able to adapt to the things that happen to you in life is it's gonna improve your problem solving skills, which you will need in school, work, and probably wherever else you're at in this life. I personally grew up prepare for the worst, hope for the best type of guy, so I had to adapt to things, you know, as a teenager, you know. Growing up, I had to learn how to adapt, you know. When you prepare for the worst and hope for the best, basically, you prepare for bad things and learn what you're going to do to adapt to those things when you think of whatever things those are. But, you know, that was something that was instilled into me at a young age, you know. Not too young, but, you know, life is going to throw hard balls at you, so be prepared. Number 3, study. Studying is very important in college. Me personally, I've never been good at studying, but this year, I've been bettering my study habits. You know why? Because it will help you remember information. That's one of the pros. 2, it will help you understand information that you're remembering or that you don't remember. The last benefit of studying is it will help you improve your grade. The last step of being successful in college is ask questions. The first pro to asking questions is you're going to learn more about what you need help with. Secondly, it's going to reduce the chances of you doing anything wrong. The last benefit of asking questions is your teacher will know what you need help with and will be able to work with you. I don't know what your problems is, your pros and cons in learning, but in college you need to have a speaking relationship with your teacher because they're gonna help you. That's what they're here for, right? My father always told me, no disrespect to anyone else, but a stupid person doesn't ask questions. Advice I would give to a beginner in college is to make a schedule. The second thing I would tell a beginner in college is be able to adapt. Adaptability is very important when you're in school. And it's also important in life. You never know what's going to happen, like I said earlier. The third thing I would say to a beginner in college is study. Everyone forgets to do it. Everyone thinks it's not important, but that's one of the most important things. The last thing a beginner in college should be doing is asking questions. If you do all of those things together, you will do great in college. But other than that, have a great day. Like, subscribe, and to my teacher, give me a good grade or else.